Welcome to Ray Creators Lab. On this channel, we give you tips, reviews and information about online and AI tools for content creation. In this video, we'll show you how to activate your GetResponse free account in just a few simple steps. Activating your GetResponse account is easy, quick and straightforward, so you can start using this powerful email marketing and automation tools right away. We're excited to have you on board. Let's get started with activating your free account. To activate a free account, go to GetResponse website to register by providing your full name, email address and password. Click the Create Account button. The activation process consists of 3 steps. 1. Click on the button. You will be redirected to your mailbox. Click on the Activate My Account button and the activation message in your mailbox. 2. You will be redirected back to GetResponse. Add your contact details that will appear in the footer of your messages. You will be able to change them later. Click the Next Step button. 3. Share more details about your business so they could help you get started more smoothly. If you have an online store, they will ask you to enter its link. You will be redirected to Integrations and API page to configure it. If you have your own website, they will ask you to provide its URL. If you already have a contact list, they will ask you to estimate its size. Click on the Next Step button. Congratulations! Your GetResponse account is now active, and you can start using this powerful email marketing and automation tools to grow your business. Now that your account is activated, you can explore all the features and tools that GetResponse has to offer. We're here to help you succeed. Start using GetResponse today to reach more customers, drive sales, and grow your business. To start using GetResponse, use the link in the description below and start using GetResponse for your email marketing and automation journey. Thank you for watching, and in case you are new to this channel, kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more valuable content.